Hi, my name is Luis Betancourt. I am a student tutor here at the accounting lab. We are located on COFO room 414, and our hours range depending on what day of the week it is. Mondays and Wednesdays, it's essentially from 9:30 to 5, and just a lunch break in there for the tutors. And Tuesdays and Thursdays, it's from 11 to 5, and I'll be here all day. And so is my lovely colleague Jennifer. Essentially what we do here is we help students with their accounting classes. We ask the students to email us at least a day ahead to set up an appointment. We ask them to please list what class they're in, what subject and topic they need help in. That way we can better prepare and better help them when the appointment comes. We understand that these classes can be overwhelming, especially the fundamentals. These kids have never seen accounting before. They might be the first course they've had in accounting, so it can be a little overwhelming for them. So we ask them to please come by. And the only way that we can help them is if they help us help them. So please just swing by and come see us. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Henry. I work in the math lab. We're in MCL 307. We are open from 7:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Thursday, and on Fridays we're open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. In the math lab we tutor subjects, anything related to math or computer science. So students can come in, they just sign in, and then they raise their hand whenever they have a question, and one of our tutors will come and help them out. We also have a posted schedule of all the subjects we tutor and the students or the tutors who are qualified to tutor those subjects.
Hi, my name is Taylor and I'm a tutor here in the Write site where we can help you at any stage of the writing process. So research, structure, grammar, style, whatever you need. We're open 9 to 9, Monday through Thursday, and 9 to 1 on Fridays, located at the second level of the library.
Hi, we're the Partnership for Student Excellence. We're located in the second floor of the library. My name is Vanessa Cabrera.
I'm Francesca.
And we are academic coaches here at the Partnership for Student Excellence. One of the services that we provide here at the center is that we do have study rooms. We also have 2 larger rooms that have a large screen like this one that students can use. And also we do have a computer lab and a printer and a scanner that students can use as well.
Other services that we provide are academic coaching. So if students need help with time management, test anxiety, study skills, they can come and book a session with us. We also have internships here. People can come and talk to Kurt Krause for internships. We have study abroad located here as well. And we have certain book and common events throughout the semester. And we also have several workshops that are offered for students to attend.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Zach Henry, and I'm the head tutor here at the Science Learning Resource Center. We're located here in the Ann Stewart Science Complex in room 365. We have a dedicated staff of tutors that tutor everything from principles to biology all the way to cell molecular and genetics, and every chemistry class from general chemistry, intro to chemistry, to biochemistry, principles of chemistry. And so we can help with every science class, including physics. We have about roughly 30 computers and access to printers, so you can print unlimitedly here. And we also have scanning capabilities, so if you need to scan anything, we can do that. And for A&P people, we have models of skeletal systems, muscle systems, everything you could possibly need and want to see. We also have microscopes and slides, all the slides that they have in lab. So we basically have an open lab in here for A&P. We're open Monday through Thursday, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And you can come in anytime and talk to any of our tutors, and we'll get you help and get you going and make the school year a breeze.
Hi, my name is Susie Townsend and I'm a librarian here at the Texas Women's University Library in Denton. Some highlights for what we have here at the library. We have textbooks that you can check out. If your professor puts it on reserve for your class, you can come here and borrow it for a few hours. We have laptops and Chromebooks that you can check out for a few hours. We have phone chargers that you can check out as well. And also we have a silent study area on the bottom level of the library. Sometimes people don't know that that level is down there, so if you can find the stairs, you can work your way down to that lower level if you're the kind of person who likes to study in a silent environment. We also have study rooms that you can reserve for just yourself or for a group. And also we have librarians who are assigned to different subject areas. So I'm the science librarian. If your subject is biology and you need to do any research in biology and you need some help, I'm the person who you would talk to. And so we have somebody assigned to all of the different majors, all the different subject areas. So if you're ever unsure who to talk to, you can always just go to the front desk and say, hey, can I talk to the librarian for nursing or government or business? We have a business librarian as well. And so we are always happy to help you. We always want you to succeed. So the library is located sort of between the academic buildings and the two main dorms. There's a fountain right outside of the library, and that's where we're located. It's a really pretty building, lots of good natural light. It can be a quiet environment. Sometimes there's chatting on the first floor, and you are allowed to do that on the first floor. And we also have a Starbucks. A lot of people like to be there. There's usually a pretty long line, and it smells kind of nice. So please come and visit us. Ask us if you ever need any help on anything. We also have free printing. So this is one place where you can print or just work on an assignment that you need to get done. I hope you visit us soon.